Good day friends, it's Anton from Simply Stunning Nature. It is now December the 6th, 2021. We are in the midst of COVID, the new Omicron. Me and my wife are fortunate to be here at Uchwahelo Cozy Mouth. We are camping here for 4 nights, and thereafter we'll go to BONA MANZI, and thereafter St. Lucia, and when we return back to Centurion, we will we're going to the Kruger Park. I've got a mission this December, and that is to identify 300 bird species in 1 month. This is Cozy Mouth on a windy day. A very cold Schweppes ginger ale. Okay, this is day 3 of our excursion to Zululand. It was a disappointing birding day yesterday here at the Cozy Mouth. It wasn't good. I'm really disappointed, but we went to KOSI Bay Nature Reserve, the Ismvelo one, and we had a whopper of a time there. Just a few birds that I've identified today: Palmnut vulture, Narina Trogon, woodbird batters. So my species count after day, say 2.5, is now standing at 87, and my target is 300. So I've still a way to go. I'm sure you have seen this type of hole in the sand. This is an antlion trap. So I'm going to show you what happens when an ant falls into this trap. This is why this is called an antlion. He eats ants. As soon as a ant falls into this dome, he grabs it by the legs. If he tries to escape, the antlion throws out sand with his feet to retain this dome. So now he's already caught this ant, and this ant is fighting for his life, but he's not going to survive this attack. Antlions only defecate once in their lives. They eventually change to a moth. Good day friends. We are now in our 6th day of our trip. Yesterday we came from Cozy Mouth. We are currently at BONA MANZI. Now the birding here is phenomenal, but before we get to that, I first want to report back on our Cosi Bay trip. We decided to go in as a day visitor to Ndumo, and I must say it was really disappointing. Not much. There were 2 highlights. The one is at that Nyamiti pan. We got all the egrets, the great egret, little egret, and the yellow-billed, but in the hundreds, if not thousands, sitting in trees. That band is like flooded, and also lots and lots of open-billed. And the other highlight of our Ndumo trip was I got the European Honey-Buzzard twice, sitting in trees within half an hour. That's my first for me. I've seen them flying, but never sitting in a tree and hunting. Now we are at, as I've said, at BONA MANZI. The eastern Nicators, you hear them all over the place. We are going to go out with a car this morning and see how many more species we can get. My current species count is now at 138. are currently on our way to Cape Vidal. We are sleeping 2 nights at St. Lucia. We're going to do a bit of snorkeling at Cape Vidal. Just a recap on my birding list. I'm sitting at 192 species. That's day 9. The birding is average in St. Lucia in this area. I just want to get back to BONA MANZI. Personally, I think it was the best birding site I've ever been. And just for the record, I'm not sponsored by them. I've paid everything. I've paid the guides, so they're not even aware of me making this video. Now, with regards to the birds that I've seen there, it is just phenomenal. Lemon-breasted canary. I had a brilliant sighting of the Narina Trogon. It was a pair. They were serenading each other. I was with them for almost half an hour. Getting a proper video, it was really difficult because as soon as I get closer, they moved off, and I had to support my camera on a tree. So usually the tree was too far, or it was too close, and then they flew off. But I got good photos. With regards to the other birds, I got 2 lifers there. The one is a southern brown-throated weaver, and I also got a cesticula, the croaking cesticula. 2 lifers, and my life list now is about 650. So birders will realize it's not that easy to get 2 lifers, and it was in the span of half an hour. Other very good birds that I got there, the Nicators. They are common, difficult to photograph because they're sitting high up in the trees. My guide told me that in summer the Nicators are up high, and in winter they go to the lowest stratum. So I got photos, but not good ones. And I got twice the southern banded snake eagle. Not good sightings, but nonetheless. What else did I get? Oh yes, I got a brilliant sighting of the Broadbill, and good photos as well. And I also got good sighting and photos of the pink-throated twin spot. They are also really difficult to locate. If it wasn't for my guide, I wouldn't have seen them. I was expecting them to be in a group, but I've learned now that those twin spots, you only get them in the couple, the male and the female.